Good evening. Good evening. We welcome you to our ongoing program. We will be starting the program shortly. Good evening. CPR Environmental Education Center, Chennai is celebrating the lion. The lion is a muscular and powerful animal and the second largest cat after the tiger in the world. It inhabits savannas and grasslands and usually lives in groups called prides. The lion is a powerful cat with strong, flexible legs. Classification: Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Subphylum Vertebrata, Class Mammalia, Order Carnivora, Family Felidae, Genus Panthera, Species Leo. Members of this family are carnivorous, which means they survive on the nutrients found only in the flesh of animals. Sometimes members of this family are also called hypercarnivorous because meat makes more than 70% part of their diet. It is a keystone predator, which means it has a larger influence on its environment than its abundance. It plays a key role in maintaining the population of other animals in an ecological community. In human tradition, the lion is one of the most recognized animal symbols. The lion is called king of the jungle and is one of the animals that is most extensively portrayed in sculptures and paintings, including the symbol of the Government of India and the Sri Lankan national flag. Ashoka pillar at Sarnath, topped with 4 lions sitting back to back, was built by King Ashoka in 4th BCE, which became the symbol of India in 1950. Lion is an alpha predator, also called top predator. This means that it has no predators to hunt it down naturally. It exists at the top of the food chain. Types and distribution. Types, distribution. Asiatic lion, Gujarat, India. West African lion, Western Central Africa. Maasai lion, Eastern Africa. Congo lion, Congo River Basin. Transvaal lion, Southern Africa. Asiatic lions were once distributed all over India, from Harappa and Gujarat in the west to Bihar and West Bengal in the east and to Madhya Pradesh in central India. At present, Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is the only abode of the Asiatic lion. Asiatic lions are slightly smaller than African lions. Males have only moderate mane growth at the top of the head, so that their ears are always visible. The most striking morphological character, which is always seen in Asiatic lions and rarely in African lions, is the longitudinal fold of skin running along its belly. Physical characteristics. A lion has a small round head, small neck, disc-shaped ears, and a tail with hair on the tip. It has a strong and muscular body, a deep chest, and a coat color ranging from golden yellow to yellowish brown. Male lions have a prominent shaggy mane, the color and length of which varies with age and are also influenced by hormones and genetics. The body length of an adult Asiatic lion ranges from male lion 5 feet 7 inches to 9 feet 9 inches, 170 to 298 centimeters. Female lioness 4 feet 7 inches to 5 feet 9 inches, 140 to 175 centimeters. The tail length of an adult Asiatic lion ranges from male lion 2 feet 11 inches to 3 feet 5 inches, 90 to 105 centimeters. Female lioness 2 feet 4 inches to 3 feet 3 inches, 70 to 100 centimeters. Lions of young age have light spots on their coats that disappear as they grow. Lions have sexual dimorphism. The females, lioness, typically have a different appearance and a smaller size than males, a special characteristic which is lacking in other cat species. Lions usually grow bigger in captivity than in the wild. Male lions grow slightly bigger than females with a body weight of 150 to 250 kilograms. Females attain a body weight of 120 to 182 kilograms. The biggest lion ever recorded was about 11.8 feet long with a weight of 408 kilograms. Reproduction. Age of sexual maturity 2 to 3 years. Gestation period 110 days. A baby lion is called a cub. A female lion usually gives birth to a litter of 1 to 4 cubs at a time. At birth, the cubs weigh about 2.6 to 4.6 pounds, 1.2 to 2.1 kilograms. They are nursed by mothers for 6 to 7 months. Cubs stay with mothers till the age of 2 years. A cub looks like a domestic cat. Lifespan 8 to 15 years. Special features of lion. The lions are nocturnal animals. They are a symbol of royalty and bravery. They spend much of their time resting. They rest for about 20 hours a day. However, they can be active at any time. Lions are excellent swimmers. Hunting. Lions suffocate larger prey by clamping down on their neck, or they may place their paw over the nose, mouth, or windpipe of the prey. They easily dispatch smaller prey with a swipe from one of their massive paws. Lionesses are the hunters. After bringing down the animal, the male head of the pride will eat first. Thereafter, the lionesses and cubs finish their meal. Lion's teeth. Facts. Like other members of the family Felidae, lions have a total of 30 teeth. They have canine teeth of exceptional size, which they use for a strong bite and killing the prey. Their lower molar and upper third premolar teeth are called carnassial teeth, specially adapted for cutting and tearing like a pair of scissors. Lions do not chew their food. They swallow it directly after chopping. What is a group of lions called? Lions usually live in groups called prides. The average number of individuals in a pride is 15, which includes about 4 adult males, several females, and their offspring. The largest observed pride was made up of 30 lions. How does a pride function? Male and female lions in a pride have specific responsibilities. Male lions secure their territory and pride from other lions. They patrol regularly to protect their prides from being usurped by outsider lions. Lionesses provide food for the pride by hunting. However, males fight if attacked. Females take care of the cubs. Lions show their affection by rubbing their heads against another's head, face, or neck. Lions in mythology. Humankind has a long history of life with lions. A list of some representations of lions with a brief description of their appearance and role. Aker. Aker is one of the oldest Egyptian lion gods. He guarded the gate of dawn through which the sun god merged every day. Baron. Baron is a protective spirit portrayed as a lion or tiger in Balinese mythology. Today, the Barong dance is an important and sacred ritual performed in Indonesia. Lion masks can be found everywhere in Indonesia. Narasimha. Narasimha, the man lion, is the 4th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Yali. The Yali is a creature in an Indian legend. It may be portrayed as part lion, part elephant, and part horse, and in similar shapes. Population. Lions are currently listed as vulnerable on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species. In West Africa, the species is now classified as critically endangered. In 2000-2004, the population range of African lions in the wild was estimated between 16,500 to 47,000. Today, lions are extinct in 26 African countries. Lions have vanished from over 95% of their historic range, and experts estimate that there are only about 20,000 left in the wild. The population of Asiatic lions was estimated to be 650 by the Asiatic Lion Census in 2017. According to the latest count, the lion population has registered an increase of 25% in the last 5 years and now stands at 674. Why are lions endangered? Lions are endangered due to several reasons, including poaching, the illegal hunting of lions for their bones, which are used in traditional medicine as well as in expensive wines, killing by humans for trophy hunting and big game hunting, loss of habitat, conflict with humans, food and prey scarcity, natural threats and diseases. Conservation. Nawab of Junagadh is credited with pioneering a conservation effort in what is now Gir National Park that saved India's lions from extinction. Asiatic lions once roamed from Palestine to Palamu, but they were wiped out by hunting. In 1884, there were less than 100 lions in Gir forest, which was a part of Junagadh state. The Nawab of Junagadh banned hunting of lions in his domains. In 1908, Gir became India's first wildlife sanctuary, exclusive for lions, covering 326 square kilometers. Today, there are 674 lions in Gir forest. Asiatic Lion Conservation Project. The Asiatic Lion Conservation Project was launched by the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change from 2018 to 2021. The project envisages scientific management with the involvement of communities in coordination with multi-sectoral agencies for disease control and veterinary care for the overall conservation of the Asiatic lion. Modern information and communication technology is proposed in the conservation, protection and development efforts of the Greater Gir region. Please write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com. To join the next meeting, link will be shared shortly to your email ID and WhatsApp. This program we are continuing with a short video on lion.
Hello. Let's learn lion facts. Lion is also known as the king of the jungle. Most of lions found in the wild are in the southern and eastern parts of Africa. Compared to other species of cats, lions are very sociable. The only cats that live in groups are lions. They usually live in groups of up to 40 animals. A group of lions is called a pride. Lions are the second largest species of cat in the world. Tigers are bigger than them. Female lions are better hunters than males. Male lions are easily recognizable thanks to their manes. Lions belong to a group of cats called big cats. They have loudest sound of any of big cats. From a distance of 5 miles or 8 kilometers, the roar of a lion can be heard. Lions drink water every day if water is available to them. They are carnivorous. Male lion eats about 16 pounds or 7 kilograms of meat per day, while female lion eats about 11 pounds or 5 kilograms of meat per day. Average female lion weighs about 300 pounds or 135 kilograms, while male lion weighs about 400 pounds or 180 kilograms. The heaviest lion ever was heavy 826 pounds or 375 kilograms. In the wild, lions rest and lie down for about 20 hours a day. In many cultures around the world, lions are a symbol of stability and strength. Thanks for watching. See you.
The session is now open for discussion for the remaining time. You can unmute yourself. Please, participants, you can unmute yourself and discuss with us. The session is now open for discussion for the remaining time.
Okay, sir.
Participants, you can please unmute yourself. For the remaining time, the session is open for discussion.
Sir, nice presentation. You are giving a lot of information. Thank you for
very
your.
much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excellent presentation on the lion, Mr. Vasan.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Participants, since there are no questions from your side,